Happy birthday, Day! Happy 40th birthday. Ayan, 40 ka na talaga. Mag-ingat-ingat sa mga kasukasuan. maranasan mo na yung naranasan ko. Nabulol. happy birthday uli, Day. Sana mapaligaya kita sa karawan mo. At may surprise ako sa iyo. Mamaya makikita mo sila. Salamat, Day. Stay healthy, stay strong, and syempre alam ko namang napaka buti mong tao, napakabait mo. Nandyan na sa'yo lahat. Wala na akong hihilingin pa, kundi sana palagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan at iyong pangangatawan. And God bless as always. And remember, I'm always here for you, Day. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday po, Ninang. Sayang na hindi po kami nakapunta dyan sa birthday mo. Pero I hope you enjoy your day and I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy 40th birthday! And our wish is tagaan ka ni pabagatog long life and good health and more blessings and more birthday to come. And again, happy birthday, Auntie. We love you so much. Mwah!
Happy birthday, my dearest Aunt Emeline. Wishing you good health, more wealth, and true happiness in life. Continue to be a blessing to others and keep the love burning with Jack and Rolly. God bless you always. Love much. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 40th birthday, Duday. Hinaut unta nga tagaan kag maayo nga panlawas, taas nga kinabuhi o daghang pang grasya nga mabot sa imuha og salamat sa tanan nga imuhang mga grasya nga gihatag, gi-share sa amoa. Hinaut unta nga tagaan kapag daghang blessing sa Ginoo. Sa imong pagkamahinatagon sa amoa, daghang salamat. Pasensya ka na kung usahay may naatay mga misunderstanding, dili pagkasinabtanay, pero sa bandang huli maging okay gihapon. Hinaut unta nga sa imuhang ika 40th birthday, mag-enjoy ka og happy ka, walang stress. I love you, Duday. I miss you so much. Og once again, daghang salamat. Amping gihapirmi og I love you very much. Hello, Mami. Happy birthday, Mami. From Tia. From Tia.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Milen.
Happy birthday,
Happy 40th birthday.
Happy 40th birthday. Gudo. Happy birthday, ante.
Ana at may nga tagaan kag may panlawas lang diha terme. Ana at ko nga tagaan ko nimo regalo sa imong birthday. Cellphone ako ang para sa imong regalo sa ako para matawagan ako nila ni Aileen. Si Ando po do. Mane mo do po cellphone do.
Hi Auntie, happy 40th birthday. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy and laughter. May God protect you and guide you. More blessings to come and always have a good health. More candles to blow. And mag-iingat ka palagi dyan, Auntie. May God bless you and guide you. God bless you and enjoy your day.
Hello, Ante. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat at hindi mo kami pinapabayaan. Sana mag-ingat din kayo dyan. Maraming salamat po sa iyo, Ante.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, maligayang bati. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, Duday. Agoy! 40 years old na. Humahabol ka yata sa akin, Duday. All the best wishes, Duday. Good health and many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Ang mga master natin dyan, lalo pa natin pag-igihin yan, mag-masteral tayo. I-master natin yan para pag umabot tayo ng 500, ay sus, master na master natin yan. Okay, Duday, enjoy your day at mag-relax, huwag mag-stress. Yan ang ano ng 40 years old. Hindi pwede mag-stress sa kaarawan. Kailangan relax. Okay? Halik mo na lang ako dyan sa apo ko. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, mommy, to your 40th Geburtstag.
Hoffentlich geht's dir gut.
Ja, and Ruby wish you all the best. That Jack and me, we are so happy. Thank you for everything. Thank you that you are looking good to us. Thank you that you're looking good to your family in Philippines. Thank you for all what you do to our family.
And thank you for helping us all the time.
Thank you for helping us. Yes, you say that right. Ruby, what you say?
Meow meow.
Yeah, what? And thank you, and we hope to have you many years, that you get 100 years old. And we love you so much. Thank you for everything.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Emilyn. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness in the world. You're not just an aunt or our Iaan, but also a cherished friend. May this year bring you countless blessings and joyful moments. In your special day, thank you, and more years to celebrate your birthday. And thank you nga bis ka ng uli gani kadari imong invite nya nami pasalubong sa imuha. Thank you kaayo kay buotan kayo ka sa dili lang sa mua kundi sa imong family. Maayo ka mo dara buotan kay ka wala koy masulti nimo. pirmira ka mo katawa, bisag malagot na or wa ko kahibaw, basta mo may smile ra ka, okay ra kayo, wa kay problema. Thank you and enjoy your day and keep safe always with your family. I love you.
Hi, my dear BFF, my Madi, Mads, happy 40th birthday to you. Wishing you all the best in life and God bless you always with good health, wealth, happiness, success, and prosperity in your life. 40 is just only a number, Mads, diba? Kaya enjoy lang tayo, Mads. I hope you enjoy your day, Mads. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Miga. Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Te. I wish you all the best. And thank you for the good memories that we had here in Angeles. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord kasi deserve mo yan. And alam ko sobrang swerte mo na at meron ka ng napagagwapong anak at napakabuting asawa. Yun lang naman ang hiling natin sa buhay. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan and alam ko may bagong journey ka na naman sa buhay na binigay ni Lord sa'yo. Kaya lang, fight lang. Alam kong kaya mo yan. Basta ingat lang palagi at sana magbigay ka ni Lord ng peace of mind sa araw-araw. Happy 40th birthday again, Ate, and say hi to Jack and we are rolling and missed you. Happy birthday and be strong. I love you and I miss you.
Hi Ate Emmy, happy 40th birthday. Akalain mo yun, Te, matanda na tayo. Enjoy your day, Te. We love you and we miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi mga Shas! Good morning Pilipinas! Ayan, madaling araw na mga Shas dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi pa ako natutulog. Alas 3 na madaling araw. Gising pa ako. But anyway, bago ako matulog, meron lang akong babatiin ng kaarawan niya. Dahil today is your 40th birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Ate Emmy. Sa iyong kaarawan today. 40 ka na. So, ang saya-saya. parang na-excited ako pag ako naging 40 years old. Anyway, so ang wish ko sa'yo, Ate Emmy, na 40 ka na, alam ko naman marami ka ng pinagdaanan sa buhay. Hindi ko ma-imagine din yung mga pinagdaanan mo dyan sa Switzerland, napakahirap, but still going ka pa rin as a strong woman. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, dahil nga nalampasan mo na yung mga paghihirap mo dyan, and ang wish ko na lang sa'yo, Ate Emmy, alam ko naman na hindi pa lahat natutupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. So, hopefully this coming year, ay matutupad na yung mga pangarap mo na minimithi. Alam ko may mga pangarap ka pa rin na gustong tuparin. So, with the guidance of God, alam kong ibibigay yan ni Lord para sa'yo. Dahil nga, napakabuti mong kaibigan, anak, kapamilya. So, yung mga ganyang tao, ibibless talaga yan ni Lord. And you are very hardworking also. Alam kong dedicated ka rin sa iyong mga trabaho dyan, kung ano mo yung mga trabaho mo. So, sana mag-ingat ka palagi and enjoy your special day today with your family dyan sa Switzerland. So, yun lang. Sana maging masaya ka. And before I will end this video, gusto ko lang din pasalamatan yung mga taong nakasama ko sa video na to. Maraming salamat sa inyo na nakipag-cooperate kayo sa simpleng regalo na binigay ng ate ko para sa kanyang BFF dyan sa Switzerland. So, ito yung kanyang simpleng regalo na maibibigay niya sa'yo, ate, kasi idea na ito eh. So, yun lang. Sana maging masaya ka sa aming ginawa and enjoy your day. And always be careful sa iyong trabaho and sa buong pamilya mo dyan sa Switzerland. So, ayan, ingat eh. Bye!